This is a really important milestone and step forward for Mataura Valley Milk and the A2 Milk Company.
So overall, it's a much cleaner facility.
Southland's always been innovators and inventors. We don't like to take credit for it down here, we just get on with it, and that's exactly what MVM have done here.
We're really interested in finding ways to help our customers decarbonise. For Mataura Valley Milk, they've been able to remove 22,000 tonnes of carbon, which is great for Mataura Valley Milk and for New Zealand. And for Meridian, it's really fantastic that we're able to put into action our commitment to helping decarbonise New Zealand.
So the boiler that we're installing is a high pressure electric boiler, and the function it has in the plant here is that we run a milk powder and infant formula base powder production facility, and what we require for that is high temperature air streams. So we need air streams that are heated to around 200 degrees Celsius, and the function of the boiler is to create the steam that's used then to indirectly heat that air. The main advantage is the sustainability credentials. It's fully electric and it does not emit fossil fuels.
This is also a first for the New Zealand dairy industry, which is consistent with the A2 Milk Company's purpose, which is to pioneer the future of dairy for good.